Want to find high-ticket clients using AI tools? Here's a simple, beginner-friendly way to use Google's Gemini and Manus AI together. Start by choosing a service you want to offer, like video editing, marketing, website design, automation, or content creation. Next, use Gemini to research businesses, niches, and industries that usually pay higher prices. Ask it to find common problems companies have and the types of clients most likely to spend money. After that, use Manus AI to organize leads, create outreach messages, summarize company information, and build personalized proposals faster. This saves time compared to doing everything manually. Finally, contact potential clients consistently through email, LinkedIn, or social media, and focus on solving their problems instead of only selling your service. Now you know how to use Gemini and Manus AI together to research leads, automate outreach, and find higher-paying clients more efficiently.